In the previous two videos, we've been focusing on how to create a group frequency distribution for the ages of students' parents. We made the distribution, then I showed you the separate steps on how to go about making the distribution. Now I want to show you what are the three types of graphs to create. So these are the graphs which are appropriate for a grouped frequency distribution. Okay? They are the histogram, okay. A histogram is a special type of bar graph. It is always drawn with vertical bars. Okay. With frequency, we use frequency values on the vertical scale, and we use class limits on the lower scale. When we get done with the problem, we're going to have a series of equal bars with no spaces between the bars, unless there's an empty class. And the bars will have varying heights based upon frequencies. It is possible for one of the bars in the middle to be missing, and we'll have class limits written down here. Okay. The second type of graph is called a frequency polygon. It's a line type graph. In a frequency polygon, we have frequency on the vertical scale. On the horizontal scale, we use class midpoints. Okay. I made a mistake over here. For the histogram, it's not class limits, it is class boundaries. Okay. The frequency polygon will have a series of dots representing the heights of the bars. Those will be connected similar to a line graph, but a difference between a frequency polygon and a line graph is we're going to tie this down. On the edges, we'll tie it down to give it the appearance of a tent. Okay. The third graph we're going to draw is called a cumulative frequency polygon. In a cumulative frequency polygon, we use cumulative frequencies on the vertical axis, and we use class boundaries on the lower axis. In this case, the graph will start at the bottom with a dot. It's also a line graph, and the dots will go up a little bit more. They will continue to go upward, and they never drop back down. This is because cumulative frequency never decreases, it always increases. Okay. I'm going to demonstrate each one of these graphs in separate videos using the same data from our ages of parents. But these are this is the only time these three graphs are drawn for this kind of information. Stop video.